I think the first thing is to understanding Thai first. If you focus on Thai market, you have to understand what they want, and what they expected. Thai people maybe expect a lot, comparing to other nation. Yeah, because we've been spoiled. I have to say, we've been spoiled so much. So they expect a good lunch, a good meal, and transportation have to be good, and hotel have to be very good too. Yeah. So if the quality of the service is good, I think no problem.
Post-pandemic, every country is competing to promote their destination to attract overseas travelers to come, especially for Indonesia, of which Bali is the most world-favorable destination. And as the ease of flying with the plans of opening direct flight from Bangkok to Yogyakarta, IINTOA, the Indonesia Inbound Tour Operators Association, took the initiative to have a tabletop or business-to-business meeting session. 37 Indonesian sellers went to Bangkok to promote the product and the package tours, meet up with 81 Thai tour operators in a one-day event. Soon, IINTOA will be doing the same event to other Asian countries, and at a time, hopefully, government support to be involved.
Good morning, Ibu Wahyu Wikan Trispratiwi.
Yes,
from 101 Yogyakarta.
Yes, you can call me Wikan.
What do you think about the event of Tabletop IINTOA in Bangkok here today?
Yes, honestly, this is the first time that we join for IINTOA Tabletop in other country, because this is the first time. So yes, we are very enthusiastic because we now, after pandemic, we hope that foreign market will come to Indonesia, especially Yogyakarta. Yogyakarta is the most popular in Thailand, especially Thailand, because of we have a Borobudur temple.
Okay.
So
what do you hope about this event concerning there will be international flight from Bangkok to Yogyakarta to your hotel 101 Yogyakarta?
Yeah, for many of Thailand tourists go to Yogyakarta, especially for the pilgrims tourism, because the Borobudur temple is not only for tourists but also for pilgrims for celebrate. So that's why during that Waisak day, many of we call is pilgrims come to Yogyakarta to celebrate Waisak day. So that's why we hope that the government, especially Indonesian government and the Thailand government, have connection, have relationship to open one flight from the Thailand go to directly to Yogyakarta. Yogyakarta, we have a new airport, international airport, so that's why we have many facilities for tourism, especially for the foreign market.
Okay. Last statement.
Yes.
What's your hope about this event today?
Yes. Through the IINTOA Tabletop, we hope we can promote Indonesia destination, and so we have many of foreign market come to Indonesia.
Okay, thank you very much, Ibu Wahyu Wikan Trispratiwi from 101 Jogja. Good afternoon, Miss Wipawin Dhanabhumi from Orienta, Vista.
Yes, right. Yeah, you can call me Ju from Orienta, Vista, Bangkok.
Miss Jup, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm very well.
Okay, thank you for attending this IINTOA Tabletop in Bangkok.
Okay.
What do you think about this event, please?
This event actually provides an opportunity, for both, I think, party, Indonesian and Thai agency. And this way we meet a lot of travel agents from Indonesia in different parts of the country, not just Bali, not just Jogja, but in many cities. So I think it's a good event.
Okay, I believe you have been sending passengers from Thailand to Indonesia.
Yes, yeah, we've been sending over 20 years now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
To Indonesia.
So it's a good question for you. How to develop the interest of the Thai people traveling to Indonesia?
Yeah, this is a good question. I think the first thing is to understanding Thai first. If you focus on Thai market, you have to understand what they want, and what they expected. Thai people maybe expect a lot, comparing to other nation. Yeah, because we've been spoiled. I have to say, we've been spoiled so much. So they expect a good lunch, a good meal, and transportation have to be good, and hotel have to be very good too. So if the quality of the service is good, I think no problem.
Okay. My last question, your statement. What is your hope about this coordination between IINTOA and TTAA?
I hope that we can build stronger relationship, and work closely together, and we can solve the problem if anything happen in a fast pace, and this should help develop also the service, and then people will be more satisfaction.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Jup from Orienta Vista.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello, Ibu Christine Kowandi.
Hello, Bapak.
From HORAS,
From
Medan.
HORAS to Medan, yes.
What do you think about the events of IINTOA Tabletop in Bangkok here for you?
Okay, I think that this event is very good for us, very potential for us, because Thailand is one of our main market. We do have direct flight from Medan to Bangkok by AirAsia, and it really helps in terms of connectivity to Medan.
How big the potentials of Thai market in Medan?
It is very big, sir, because of the daily flights and because we have similarity in culture and in everything. So I think that Thai people are very much interested in coming to Medan to do the tour, and vice versa, sir. So Medan people is also very much interested to go into Thailand. So the cooperation is very good between the two countries. Yes.
What do you hope with this event?
Of course, we hope that we will generate more business for us, for the inbound tour operators, for the tourists coming to Sumatra.
Tell us something about this event.
Okay, we really appreciate IINTOA to be the initiator of making this event, the first international event, Bangkok, because we invite all the travel agents in Bangkok with direct dealing. And as a member of IINTOA, we are also very proud that IINTOA has been very successful in doing this event, and hopefully we can do more events like this in the future in other countries as well.
Good afternoon, Mr. Amornrat Nurnjun.
Hi.
How are you today?
Yes, I'm fine today. That's okay. You can call me my nickname, Nutt.
Nutt.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Nutt from
Yes.
KK.
KKD, yes.
Okay. So, today you attend the tabletop IINTOA here in Bangkok.
Yes.
How do you feel? What is your expression about this tabletop?
Yes, it's very good because I get more update about Indonesian product and get more connection with the local company, also local tour operator, hotel, and get new knowledge, the new product after pandemic. Yes.
Okay, I believe you have been sending passengers from Thailand to Indonesia.
Yes.
What do you think to develop of Thai people to Indonesia,
To the Indonesia.
according to your experience?
Yes, for my experience, KKD, we are the platform and focusing for the local experience around the world. Yes, so we also, the Thai people also need some unique product, need some local experience product like cooking, like where the custom of the Bali or everything, or some Buddhism day trip. This one very unique, very local experience. I think the Thai people will like this kind of product also.
My last question.
Yes.
Your statement for the future, the relation between IINTOA,
Yes.
our organization, and your organization, TTAA.
Yes.
Please say something.
Yeah, so I think this kind of the B2B event is very fantastic for the keep good connection with our organization and our local Thai tour operator. Yeah, so if we have more this kind of B2B, and also sometimes we also have a B2C event every year in Thailand. So you can visit Thailand again and promote your product together with TTAA again also.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much, Mr. Nutt.
Thank you.
From KKD.
KKD.
Good afternoon, Pak Made Sabda. Pak Made, what is your opinion about the event IINTOA Tabletop here in Bangkok today? Please.
I really love this event, and I really need to be continued always. Not only for this country.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be for other countries that we are going to do it in the future. First of all, we can start it from the Southeast Asia country, and then let's move on to find another country, especially for the market that we don't have it yet. We are not talking about the Bali at this moment only. We talk about all of the part of Indonesia.
Okay, Pak.
Yes,
what
sir.
is the result of this event today for your company?
For my company, it is really beneficial for us. Now we know a lot of people as a working partner in the future. They need explanation from our side regarding our, the beautiful islands of Indonesia, the package that they can have it, our nice people in our country. It's not only what, now they feel more comfortable when we come to them. Okay?
Yeah. And what will be your hope about the event like this, either by IINTOA or by the government?
You know what? I'm part of the IINTOA. I really love IINTOA. IINTOA is my first organization, and I really like it. I would like to be part of all the IINTOA, and then it's gonna be more beneficial. But not only us, other tour operators, and also, as you see now, a lot of hotels participated in this event. We really need to have a good hope in the future. We need to have a very good business. It must be continued in the future.
Okay. Thank you very much, Pak Made
Thank you so
Sabda,
much for the
Luxury Bali Travel.